Hey everybody, now in this video we're all going to be talking about love. But before I get into the video, make sure you hit subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you get a cheeky little notification every time I upload a new video. Now, as you can tell, I'm in my car. This is a late video. But I just experienced spending time with some of my closest friends who are getting married. What a beautiful, beautiful thing. I'm so excited for them. We got talking about love, and it's just something that I wanted to bring up because I think as a human race, it's something that we all need and we all want. We all want love. But whether you're in a relationship or whether you're single, you can feel that love whenever you want, because just think about it. That person you're in love with, or that thing you're in love with, or you love doing, is it that person or that thing that's causing you love? Is it making you feel love, or is it your thoughts about it? You create the feeling of love within yourself. You create all feelings, the feeling of anger, frustration, pain, happiness, joy. If you took away your ability to feel those emotions, you wouldn't be able to feel them. It all comes from within. It doesn't come from an external source. It always comes from within. It's your feelings about the external source. So whatever you're going through, whatever your romantic situation, whatever your kind of friendship situation, whether you're single or not, or whatever your family situation is, it doesn't matter. Love comes in all forms, and love can be created in any scenario. It can be from a family member, it can be from a friend, but it's always your feelings that create it. Okay, it's always the internal. It's always the internal, but sometimes we put so much kind of pressure to find something external. We need to have that perfect relationship with our parents. We need to have that perfect relationship with somebody. We need to be in a relationship. We need to have loads of friends. We need to have this. We need to have that. The need for this is what is creating unhappiness in the world, because actually you just need to be at one within yourself. You need to know that you create those feelings of love, of joy, of passion, of excitement, of gratitude. You create them. So don't put the responsibility of you finding love on something external. Make sure you know that it's an internal game. So I hope that helps. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit that notifications bell, and I'll see you very soon.